Oh my God! You're so... But you're not young. You're older than me. You're older than one on me. I'm 21. Hello, Liang Ping. Hello. I'm turning 22 at July. My birthday is July. Hello, Lin Yang Ping. Hello. Please support me, guys. Malapit na akong mag-in-live shit. Guys, 320 before 52K. Thank you, White Heart. Thank you so much. Manifesting. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, White Heart. I need 300 before 52K. $300 guys before 52K. Oh my God, so too close. 300 before 52K guys. What do you do for living, White Heart? What do you do for your living? Malis na siya, Coms. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Coms. Thank you so much. Hello, guys. Good morning. Guys, 300 na lang, guys. 300 na lang. Ay, ano na lang pala? 280. 280 na lang, guys. 280 na lang, guys. Hello, Ate Pichi. Hello, Dad. Welcome to my live, Dad. Nawalan ka na ng daddy, umalis na. Ayaw niya na daw ng daddy, baby lang daw. Kainis naman. Hindi yun yung daddy na yun. Hindi siya malaki magbigay, no? Foreigner siya, pero hindi siya malaki magbigay. Hello, Benson. Yung nakilala ko dati, nagbigay talaga. Hello, Brent. Welcome to my live, Brent. Nagbigay talaga ng 1,000, sabi ko sa'yo. Hello, Dancy. Welcome back, Dancy. Dancy, I need 280 Dancy. Before 52K, Dancy. I thank you. Ay, Tagalog. Ano ba to? Pinoy o ano? 280, guys. 280. I need 280. Sayang, Koms, wala ang daddy natin, ah. Hello, Zach. Welcome to my live, Zach. Hindi naman talaga ganon. Malapit na din ako mag-in-live, guys. Sana naman may magbagsak ng 280. Hello, Lowy. 7. Mag-i-in-live na ako ng 7. May lakad kasi guys. Alam ko si Coms na yan magbibigay ng 280. 280, Coms. Bisaya, ang ganda mo kasi. Hindi pa ako Bisaya. Hello, Jess Pinkman. Hello, Jess Pinkman. Hello, Chokwan. Please support me, guys. Support me. 280 na lang, guys, oh. 5 minutes na lang, mag-in live na ako.